So Ulefone has announced and added 2 new tablets to the RugKing series, namely the Pad Pro and the Pad 2 Pro. Both devices are very identical, but in this video I will be talking about the Pad 2 Pro because it is a slightly better upgrade over the Pad Pro. And the major differences between both the Pad Pro and the Pad 2 Pro includes: number one, the display. The Pad 2 Pro has a 10.1-inch display, while the Pad Pro has an 8.68-inch display. The internal storage, of course, is another major difference, with the Pad Pro having 128 GB of storage, while the Pad 2 Pro has 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. And third is the battery capacity. The Pad 2 Pro has a 10,200 mAh battery, while the Pad Pro has a 7,100 mAh cell. So as you can see, these are the major differences between both rugged tablets. And of course, the Pad 2 Pro is slightly heavier than the Pad Pro, and that is expected because it has a much more bigger battery capacity. So as I mentioned earlier, we'll explore the top features of the Pad 2 Pro. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the Pad 2 Pro is 12.6mm thick and it's weigh over 600 grams. I mentioned its weight earlier. The device is rated IP68 and IP69K, and it is also military grade standard 810H certified, which is expected. Performance is handled by the Unisoc T7250 chip paired with 8GB of RAM and, as I said earlier, up to 256 GB of internal storage. Now, one standout functional feature is the built-in Super Touch, delivering up to 120 lumens and controlled via a customizable hardware key. This reinforces the tablet's role as a utility device rather than a consumer gadget. As I said earlier, the phone has a 10.1-inch IPS LCD display with an HD Plus resolution, and it has a peak brightness of up to 600 nits, which isn't very bright, but the display should be readable outdoors. And the oleophobic coating helps reduce fingerprints, which is practical for frequent handling in rough conditions. In the camera department, the device features a single rear 48MP camera, and it has an 8MP selfie shooter, which is sufficient for video calls, face unlock, and basic selfies. Both cameras support full HD video recording. Running Android 16 in a clean near-stock configuration, the RugKing Pad 2 Pro avoids ads and unnecessary bloatware, which is a notable advantage for professional users and organizations. Security and convenience are handled through a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock, both tuned for quick access. And connectivity is comprehensive with dual 4G SIM support, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, full satellite navigation, including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and the others, and NFC with Google Pay support. The presence of eSIM alongside physical SIM slots adds flexibility for international or enterprise developments. As I said earlier, the phone packs a massive 10,000 mAh battery, and it supports 18 watts fast charging, dock charging, and wired reverse charging, which means you could basically use this device to charge other devices. So these are the top features of the RugKing Pad 2 Pro, and it is expected to be very affordable. The device is expected to cost about $300 to $350, but currently it's not available. When it's available, I'll definitely let you guys know. So the RugKing Pad 2 Pro, as you can see, isn't a high-end tablet, but it's a workhouse tablet. It is of course perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, construction workers, hikers, and so on. If you are actually involved in any of these positions or roles or activities, then the RugKing Pad 2 Pro is a really nice tablet that you need to check out. So this is the update that I have for you guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.